Can't wait to put this thing on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and there it is, beautiful beast, the Streetfighter V4S 2021. Very excited today. Just got this little box in the mail. I wonder what it is. I don't know. It says it was made on July 21st, 2020, and it's made in Italy. All right, it's a little company known as Arrow. All right, I wonder what's in the box. Can't wait to take what's in there and put it on there, guys. Stay tuned. I got this package from Manny at Motomillions, so I'm giving him a shout out. So you guys need any motorcycle parts, accessories, or whatnot, this is your man. He's out of Miami. Miami Manny, as he's known by. So also I bought this piece called the eliminator, servo eliminator, I guess. And that's supposed to prevent from the from any engine codes popping up in the system. All right, so now let's see what this bad boy actually looks like. Well, it's packaged real nice. Let's take a look. There it is, at least one of them. This thing looks great. I can't wait to see it on the actual bike. Quality looks impeccable. Oh yeah, I'm not sure which side this is going on yet, but it's probably gonna be right here. Oh yeah. Wow, can't wait to get rid of this big canister here, this heavy thing, and replace it with these nice titanium Arrow made in Italy exhaust. Alright, we're gonna take the baffles out too, to give it that nice sound. So again, can't wait, getting that done tomorrow, so stay tuned. Look at the quality of the rest of the stuff in the box. Can't wait for this to turn blue. That's gonna look hot. Full titanium. Yeah, baby. Alright, let me take the rest of the stuff out. The heat shield. Let's take a look on this side. Quality looks real good. Alright guys, I'm getting crazy super excited. Can't wait to put this thing on and actually release those extra horsepowers, that extra torque, and the most unique sound you're gonna get out of any bike. I just love the way these Ducati sound. They give you that something special, that exotic feel to them. Thank you. So his name's Diesel. Hey Diesel, what's up, bro? He's been a little misbehaving, so he's got a timeout. But anyway, for the fun part, we're about to get going, guys, so follow me. Today is the day, guys. Today's the day we're getting that Arrow exhaust put on. Very, very exciting. Here we go. About to get going to the shop that does all my work for me. That's a cross country Power Sports in Metuchen, New Jersey. And again, if you guys need anything motorcycle related, or a jet ski or a wave runner or whatnot, hit up CJ down there. He's the best, #1. So hit him up and he will hook you up. But anyway, it's time to take this bad boy, the 2021 Ducati Streetfighter V4S, baby, to down to the dealership, to the service bay, and get that factory can taken off and replaced. Ooh, cannot wait. All right, here we go. Follow me. All right, guys, here we are. just made it to cross country. Ducati, baby. We're about to do the install on this 2021 Streetfighter V4S. About to do that aero install. Watch this aero kit blow up. So it was always all about Acura. Akrapovic, they got the big bucks. They got in. Watch aero start to blow up. It seems like it's getting around. People are starting to appreciate it and understand that it's a premium product, just like the Acura, made in Italy, looks awesome. So let's see how far this goes. But typically, guys, I am a trendsetter. Mark my words, Acura is about to blow up. All right, so anyways, here we go. Cannot wait for it to go on this beautiful Streetfighter V4S. Super excited. It's right in there. It's everything, all the pipes, everything is in there, believe it or not. Don't forget, guys, you got to get the servo delete if you're going to do the same thing. This way you don't get the check engine light. All right, so let's do this. All right, guys, check this out. This is the S1000RR non-M version, but you know what? This color is starting to grow on me. Very nice. I'm actually really digging it now. Is an S1000RR in my future? Are we gonna be going back to the future? Is that sold to me? I don't know. I guess you guys have to stay tuned to find out. But I'm definitely digging this new color. And then you got the K1600B in the same exact color. That's the bagger. What's up, guys? All right, had to leave the bike there overnight for them to do the aero install. Got my trusty X14 ready to roll. My Dainese D-Air jacket, or Dainese, however you want to pronounce it. And can't wait, about to get picked up. Heading straight down to the dealership to pick up the bad boy. Let's see what happens. By the way, one other thing that I had added to the bike that I didn't mention is I did the Ducati Performance OEM LED front turn signal replacements, right? Because the bulbs, the way it looks right now, just doesn't look right on that bike. So gonna take those off, put the new LEDs on. Should be on the bike as we speak. That should definitely change the look of it. Now the next thing I got coming is I got the OEM windscreen for the bike, so I can't wait to put that on, and the rear fender delete, so by New Rage Cycle, the same thing I've been using on all my bikes. So stay tuned, and let's see, can't wait to hear it. All right, guys, we're finally here, cross country Ducati. Justin is the man that takes care of me here all the time in respect to service, parts, installs, and all that. So come see Justin. But there it is, the Streetfighter V4S with the aero exhaust. Oof, look at that bad boy. Oh boy, that looks amazing. Wow, can't wait to hear it. That looks amazing. Oh man, can't wait to turn it on. But so far so good. Let's look at the other side. Guys, don't forget to follow me, dencoop69 on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Let's look at the other side. Yeah, that looks clean. Wow, really loving the look. All right, let me go pay for the install, and let's turn this bad boy on. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Let's see what the this bad boy sounds like. All right, let's start it. Let's make sure it's in neutral. Okay, it is in neutral. All right, here we go, guys. All right, guys, sounds real nice. Real sweet. Thank you, thank you. The lady thinks it's sweet, so do I. So there you guys have it. Oh, and by the way, totally missed the LEDs that we got on there. Check out these LEDs. I'm so excited for the exhaust. Ducati Performance, baby. Ooh, sweet. All right, guys, stay tuned for the ride home. All right, guys, there's the LEDs in action. Very happy with them. Huge difference from the original ones. I don't know why they don't do this stock, but it makes the bike look so much sweeter. Look at that front end. That menacing front end. All right, we are home. Woo! I am effing loving it. What an incredible machine. Holy wow. Look at this thing. This is a real beast. An Italian stallion. Wow, this is a real 1-2 knockout punch type of thing. Rocky Balboa. Wow. Rambo, whatever you want to call it. This is incredible. Think about it. They have a hyper sport, super sport, whatever you want to call it, motorcycle with the looks, the beastly look,
The way it feels, it's just incredible. To take a Panigale, one of the world's best super sport, hyper sport bikes, and turn it into a true usable street machine is unbelievable. My hat's off to Ducati. Guys, incredible. Thumbs up. Unreal. And now with the Aero Italia exhaust. Woo! This thing comes fully together. The Olin suspension works incredible. I'm loving it. Wow. To have this much power usable on a regular road with that beastly look, the handling, it just wants to lean and lean some more. It's like, oh man, I'm in love. This is just bellissimo. All right, guys. Wow, what a machine. And again, after owning the S1000RR edition, which is an incredible bike on its own, that's a beast of a bike. But man, oh man, they have their, their cons and the pros. But listen, I can't wait to see what BMW comes up with next year for the all new redesigned S1000 single R. That should be their, naked street usable bike. But as of right now, in that specific category, this thing is on fire. Seats super comfortable, crazy comfortable. It's like sitting on a couch. Wow, you're sitting on the couch. You got all the power you ever need. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't say enough good stuff about this bike. I'm in love with it, like I said. Incredible, unbelievable. Wow, what a package. Ducati delivered on this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more. And I hope you're enjoying my channel so far. I'm going to have a lot more cool videos to show you soon. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later.